Please like and subscribe.
Hello ragazzi, today we are going to do one daiquiri. So, what we are going to use is Havana tray, but you can use any Cuba rum you like. This is my favorite. Then we need is of course one cupette or one martini glass or whatever you call this. And then I personally use simple syrup, so normal white sugar, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water. Then just some ice, some lime juice, or you can squeeze your own lime as you wish. If you want to do my recipe,
Not me.
so you're gonna need half of the lime shell. You need to pour inside the shaker. So this is my difference between the other daiquiris.
No, we're not doing that.
Okay, let's start. So we use Havana tray as a rum, so 5 cl of Havana tray, or 6 cl as you wish. I like to use 5 cl. Then I add a little bit of lime, so we use 2 cl because I will also add a little bit of fresh juice, so from my half shell. And I will put the half lime inside the shaker. Then we're gonna add some sugar, so just 15 ml. I'm just gonna try it. So always try your daiquiri if the lime is actually good or not, or you need a little bit of sugar, or you need a little bit more of sour. So always try your cocktail, you never know.
That's delicious.
Okay, I think it's good. I will just add a little bit more of lime, a dash. Then we're gonna add the ice. So this cocktail is just ice, lime, sugar and rum. I personally like to shake it very well. We are ready to shake, let's shake.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay, usually when I see the shaker is cold, then it's ready. So what we're gonna do now, we are going to filter our cocktail. So if you have a strainer and double strain, this is perfect.
Oh, no.
So you're going to take the ice out of your cupette. There you go, guys. So our cocktail is ready. So this is my recipe for daiquiri.
I love you.
And I hope you will like it. And salute, guys.
Scrumptious, tasty, addictive.
Please like and subscribe.